Hello and welcome to Homespun Recipes. Today I will show you how to make rosemary and garlic roast chicken in a microwave oven. So let me quickly show you the ingredients. Start by parboiling the potatoes. Take potatoes in a vessel, pour in water to it and add salt and red chili powder. Cover the vessel and simmer it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep the flame in low to medium heat and just cover it and let it simmer. Then we will check it after 5 to 7 minutes. I have removed the flesh from the bones. By doing this, I get nice juicy boneless pieces of chicken. Since we are making this dish in a microwave oven today, so I have taken a microwave safe tray, drizzled some oil on it, and I will coat the chicken pieces with this oil. All the chicken pieces are arranged on the tray coated well with oil. So now let us start adding the spices, and I am starting with garlic powder. Then I am adding chili flakes. You can also add crushed black pepper to this. Rosemary, this is dried rosemary. If you have fresh rosemary, you can add that also, but I prefer to make this dish with dried rosemary. And you need to be very careful while adding dried rosemary because it is very flavorsome, and if you go overboard with this, then the taste of the dish will get spoiled. So be very careful while adding rosemary. Then add salt and just apply everything very well onto the chicken pieces. I am placing the bones also just to fill up the gaps, and then here you can see that the potato is also ready. So we will just place the potatoes on the tray and sprinkle some more spices on the potato pieces, and it will be all set to go into the oven. So the tray is ready to go into the oven, as you can see, and I am roasting the chicken today in microwave oven in convection combination mode. So try it. Hope you like the recipe, and if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're watching me for the first time, Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell which is right below this video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching Homespun Recipes. You take good care of yourself and I will see you in my next video.